Hello everyone and welcome back to another model airplane review. This time I have for you from Inflight 200 or B models in the 1/200 scale diecast Air Canada Boeing 747-400. So stay tuned. The Air Canada Boeing 747-400, and this one specifically is the Air Canada Boeing 747-400 Combi version, which had the capability of having cargo and passenger on the main deck. Once we'll have a closer look, you'll see the cargo door on the back. And this one specifically, Charlie Golf Alpha Golf November, flew with Air Canada from 1991 till 2004. Which I think later on in 2006 it was transferred to Air China to be converted into an all-cargo plane. And the livery that it has on this specific model is the green tail livery, which was from 1993 till 2003. So it's nice to see that Inflight 200 or B models has released this on the 1/200 scale. So before having a closer look at the plane, I just want to show you a quick overview of the box. So pretty much we have on the top there an image of the plane, and on the front we have a nice big titles Air Canada with its logo, and nice big image of the 747-400, and just the 1/200 scale lettering on the bottom and the B models model code. And then looking at the bottom, another image of the plane. And then when you look at the back, pretty much not too much detail, just pretty much the Air Canada logo, and then just the model number on the bottom there. And it's blank on the sides just because this box does just slide off. So, and with that being said, let's open up the box and show you what's inside. Now I have taken the plane out, so I just want to show you just what it comes with it or how it looks. So then we have the protective foam covering, and then we have the plastic wrapping that protects the plane, and then just the display stand itself. So that's pretty much to it when it comes to the box. Alright, so now I'm just going to go around the plane to have a closer look. So going along there, we can see along the side there in big letters, Air Canada. Looking along the wing there, we have the landing lights, which are painted or deckled on. We have a view of the left engines. And we have a view of the left winglet with the red navigation light. Moving towards the back there, we have a view of the cargo door. Now, because this is a Boeing 747 Combi version, it has the cargo door here on the back, which gave this plane the capability or a combination of having passenger and cargo on the main deck. And then moving towards the tail there, we have a view of the registration number, Charlie Golf Alpha Golf November, and on the tail the big red maple leaf. Moving towards the right rear side of the plane, we now have a view of the right rear cargo doors. Moving along the back side of the wing, coming towards the right winglet, have a view of the green navigation light, with a view of the right engines. Going towards the front right side of the plane, we now have a view of the front cargo door. Top view of the plane. Just by the cockpit window we have an emergency hatch. Moving along, we have a view of the beacon light with some antennas. Moving along the right wing. Out to the left wing. Moving towards the back, towards the tail. Now a bottom view of the plane, starting at the tail. Moving towards there, we see the right rear cargo doors again, with the antennas. Moving towards the center, we have the insert where the display stand goes in. And right above it, we have a view of the landing gears. Now these landing gears are fixed, they are not removable, but they do roll and they do have rubber tires. Moving towards the right wing, having a bottom view. And moving towards the left wing. Back to the center, we have a view of the beacon light. Towards the front, we have a view of the front cargo door with the nose landing gear. So there you have it from Inflight 200 or B models. The Air Canada 1/200 scale diecast Boeing 747-400 Combi version, Charlie Golf Alpha Golf November. Overall, a really great 1/200 scale diecast model airplane. I think they did a really good job, really good detail on it. It's really nice to finally see this livery and this kind of plane, the Boeing 747 and the 1/200 scale. Yeah, because Air Canada only had really 3 of these Combi versions flying on their fleet. So nice to see that this one has finally been released. And you know, if you are a big Air Canada fan, especially with their historical fleet, this would definitely make a great addition, and definitely recommend to get one before they sell out. But overall, I definitely recommend it. It makes a really great addition to your collection. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, or I really hope it's helped you out in some way. And if you do like it and you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a like, and please don't forget to subscribe. So until next time, thank you for watching and take care.